All right, we're here at day 32. 32 days of this crap. One day it'll all be done. But 32 days. So right now, I don't have a whole lot to do. Well, I kind of have something to do. So I can finish sanding and grinding the metal here and get it ready for the primer and the paint later. So that's what I'll be doing shortly. And of course, it's not a whole lot of time. So this video may be just as short as yesterday's video. As you see, I painted the garage. So, but one thing I do need to do is I need to organize the garage. They're coming with the tile. I think they're coming with the tile shortly. So that'll have to be stacked. But I got to make room over here. And then I think they're going to take the cement and put it into the closet there. So move these boards over, get them out of the way, start making room for stuff. And then supposedly later on, the stove and the dishwasher will arrive between 3 and 7 p.m. Holy cow, man. I hope they arrive at 3 o'clock because I don't want to wait till 7 o'clock. Anyways, we'll do a walkthrough as usual. Oh shit, I forgot to close that window. Good thing it didn't rain last night. All right, everything's looking good. So, they still got some work to do. Now I guess the guys are sanding the walls decided they want to take the day off. They're out, maybe they partied last night watching the World Cup. So it is what it is. So there are times where you're at the beck and call of the contractor. And if something is delayed or held up on their part, there's nothing you could do about it. So just live with it, go with it, and you know, I think we'll be finished by January 2030, probably. So, all right, it's still looking good. I don't know when those windows are going to come in, but they should be coming in. Anything new in the backyard? No friendly critters or nothing? Nope. Grass is getting a little bit high, ready for another cut. But since I got all this crap in the yard, I'm not going to cut it yet. All right, that's it. Let's start day 32 and we'll grind the steel. All right, thanks for watching. All right, day 32 coming to a close. And as you see, all I did today was grind the metal. I grounded all the metals, or partially all the metals. I did the side, did the poles. Now I got to do the inner beams here. Some are asking, why don't you just paint over it? Because it's called getting rid of the old so you can start fresh with the new. Now some of this stuff I can't get in, and I used a lacquer and it still didn't come off. So I used the grinder wheel. So anyways, I got to grind this inside and then above there, all that up there. And I'll be ready to start staining this portion. So garage is done, obviously. I told you I'm waiting right now for delivery for my stove and my dishwasher. Unfortunately, I might have to wait another 3 hours. So I have no idea when they're showing up. So today, only one person was here today, and what she was doing, she was sanding the dry walls, smoothing them out. She had a machine. She's still over here. Oh, she's closing up the rooms. There she is. So she was sanding all the walls, getting them a nice smooth finish. Everything's a nice smooth finish. But I don't think she did the ceiling. I don't think she did the ceiling though. So everything else is the same, obviously. Tomorrow we're supposed to have a full crew. Can't speak. Tomorrow's supposed to have a full crew. So what happens tomorrow? I don't know. But we're supposed to have a full crew. So, and apparently, I must have gotten the wrong tile. Mira, you didn't do the ceiling, no?
Sí.
You did ceilings?
Again, yes.
Okay. Okay, gracias.
Thank you.
Okay, so she did do the ceiling. All right, so anyways, apparently, this is the wrong tile. I mean, it's the tile that I bought, but it's one of these ceramic, I think ceramic, or whatever this is, terracotta, whatever. So if this cracks or chips, which apparently is supposed to be very easy to do so, then you see the terracotta. So I'm supposed to go out and buy a different one. So there goes another larger expense. All this has got to go back, be turned, and buy new shit. So, one after another. Anyways, day 32. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for sharing if you share. Anybody want a water heater? Well, thank you. Most of all, I haven't said this the whole time, but I'm going to say it this time. I do thank the Lord for the blessing. So, I've never said it, but I do always appreciate it. Even though I've over budget and everything else, this is still a blessing. So, it is what it is. We got to move forward. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow, day 33. Woo, 33. Emmett Smith. All right, bye.